Dear customers, we would like to present our Trox VAV EasySet, which will allow to refurbish your existing old volume flow controllers simply and quickly. Trox VAV EasySet is an assembly with control components for refurbishing volume flow terminal units. The EasySet assembly is supplied in a package and is suitable for systems with circular ductwork. Detailed mounting instructions are provided in order to carry out the refurbishing without problems. The components of the EasySet kit are a new developed differential pressure grid to measure the airstream flow according to the dynamic differential principle, Trox compact controller, tubes and various accessories. First, the existing electrical connections must be disconnected and the line of the possibly existing velocity sensors has to be cut. Then the old control units and the potential other components have to be removed. In order to avoid whistling noises, not longer necessary boreholes should be closed in the duct system. The provided locking piston against torsion of the Trox compact controller is mounted at a distance of 90 mm from the middle damper shaft. Next, the damper blade is brought into the closed position through clockwise rotation. Then the Trox compact controller can be mounted. By connecting the 24V AC to terminals 1 and 2, the actuator opens in anti-clockwise direction. When it is open, this can be identified in most units when the slot in the damper shaft is standing horizontal. The 24 volts must be switched off immediately. In this position, the rotation angle limiter of the Trox compact controller must be locked. The measuring point for the differential pressure sensor must be positioned at 1.5D away from the damper axle. Should the sensor, cause of too little space, be placed for example in front of an elbow, keep a minimum distance of 0.5D from the elbow and a downstream of at least 2D behind the controller. For the installation of the differential pressure sensor, an opening with a diameter of 36 mm must be drilled rectangular to the control damper axle in the duct system. The sensor must be cut according to the diameter of the ductwork. A scale on the cardboard package of the EasySet assists to establish the correct length. Next, the provided seal must be mounted on the sensor. Now the differential pressure grid is installed into the duct system. Pay attention to the direction of the airflow arrow applied on the flange of the sensor. Subsequently, the provided tube adapters are mounted onto the connecting spigots of the sensor and of the Trox compact controller. Afterwards, the sensor can be tubed to the Trox compact controller. Please pay carefully attention to the plus and minus identifications. The electrical connections must be reconnected. The possible switch options are represented in detail in the VAV EasySet leaflet. The percentages for Vmin and Vmax can be configured using the table and the formula in the mounting instructions. Vmin and Vmax values have to be adjusted on the potentiometers with a percentage value. Once the adjustment is carried out, the green LED constantly lights up. This signals a perfect control. The refurbishing is thus successful. In order to document the refurbishing, the VAV EasySet contains two sets of labels. The larger label can be attached directly on the controller. The smaller label is used to document the refurbishing in the documents. Trox VAV EasySet, the perfect solution for refurbishing volume flow controllers.